TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman here. I am the host of the Tiger Technicians Hour, coming up straight after this TFNN noon Eastern Time update. And the market is down. Dow's down 332 at 25,697. The futures last night suddenly dropped like 400, 500 points in the Dow. This morning, they were up over 200 points. But now the market is down minus 330. This is a very tumultuous market at this particular point. Too many cross currents, and therefore what we are looking at is upside resistance levels are going to be putting a cap on the upside, and the downside going to the Dow 25,000 area. This is going to be the big test. How does it hold 25,200 to 25,400? The low today is the most recent low of 25,440. The S&P, same thing, same story. S&P is down 28 to 2853, makes a high of 3,027 a couple of weeks ago, plummets down to the low today is 2825, which is a tad higher than it was 3 days ago. Excuse me, 3 days ago. I'm really worried about these weekly charts. In Chapman Wave methodology, you see we hit that resistance in the S&P a number of times, pull back, and we have broken. It's only 2.5 days into this week, 2.5 days to go. So midweek, we've taken out the support level. Let's see where we close on Friday. Going to be very important. Same thing with the Dow. The QQQ NDX 100 is down $1.12 at 182.15, just above the 200-period exponential moving average that it touched 3 days ago. It's holding quite nicely here. This is going to be a very important moment. Must hold 178 over the next 2 days. Try for the 184 by Friday. We've got the IWM also very weak, but let's look at gold. Gold's had a spectacular move. It's up $33 at 1517. Big breakout, monthly breakout, almost a one-to-one move to the upside on that monthly chart, expanding wedge formation. I'll talk about it more in my show coming up straight after this news update. And the dollar is pulling back some, still holding above yesterday's low. That's very important. 97.39. There are so many cross currents. I'm going to talk about it in the show coming up. Bonds, the TLT screamed to another move up, spectacular move up. It's at 142.46, up 2.48. Wow, is this the end of the road for this move? And then it takes a rest. We'll talk about that as well. Have a great day. Hope to see you back in a few minutes. Otherwise, tomorrow, stay tuned to TFNN for shows all day. I'll be back in a few minutes.